Okay, these are two identical gaming rigs we've built. And check this glass that clips on here. All the panels come off just unsnapping them. My LCD screen, Corsair cooler. This is a 5060 Ti Eagle with 16 gig of RAM. MSI Pro Series 870E. Nice mesh back panel. Everything is easy access. This one is identical. AMD Ryzen 7 3D. This is the Vcache series, created specifically for gamers. And 64 gig of RAM, DDR5. That's the GPU. It's very important to have the correct software to control the system, so we have the MSI software. To control anything that's connected to the motherboard. And the Gigabyte command center. Even though this card comes overclocked, you can change its settings here, performance and fan control. And of course, the Corsair software for the cooling unit. Here you can control the speeds of the fans and the colors. Basically, it's endless here. You can even tweak the LEDs specifically. Very powerful machines for gaming, for editing, for streaming. And this is what the back looks like. Let's take a quick look at the back panel. Corsair cooling unit. There's the radiator. A lot of space here. And that's about it. Tailored to these clients' needs.